Bree, the Coupon Queen, and welcome to the Walgreens ad preview for next week. Just got back from my business trip. I got to go to Charlotte, North Carolina, and Florence, South Carolina, which was amazing. Pretty cold, unfortunately, but it was still clear skies. It was super beautiful. If anybody ever gets a chance to go to Florence, I highly recommend staying at Hotel Florence. It's a really old, like, vintage hotel that they renovated, which is super cool. And we ate at Town Hall, which is like 5-second walk. The food there was absolutely amazing. If you guys have ever been, drop a comment. Let me know what you guys thought. We got the scallops. I love scallops so much. So everything we had there was amazing. The people were super nice. So overall, it was definitely a successful trip. But now I am back and ready to get into these ad previews. I did post the insert preview. We do have 4 inserts we're getting on Sunday. So 2 Smart Source and 2 Retail Me Not. So there's a ton of hair care coupons coming, a ton of makeup coupons. Of course, some of those are going to be regional, so keep that in mind. Make sure you check your inserts before you buy them in case you're looking for specific coupons. If you are, you guys can just purchase them online. The 2 websites I use are linked in the description box of all my videos, so you guys can go there. So let's go ahead and dive into the deals for next week in this ad preview. So these deals are going to start on March 1st and go through the following Saturday. So they're still doing buy 2, get the 3rd free mix and match. This is going to be a month-long deal going all through the month of March. They have some cereals that are going to be on sale for $1.99. We are getting that $1 off 2 coupon. So if you guys buy 2 of them, you would get them both for $1.49. Or you can use the 50-cent coupon and just buy 1, and then it's the same price point at $1.49. The Blue Diamond almonds are buy 1, get 1 free. Sometimes we'll get a nice Ibotta rebate with those, so always check your Ibotta account. If you're not signed up with Ibotta yet, my referral code and everything is linked in the description box. I also have a video out for how to use the Ibotta Rebate app, how to get the bonuses, the rebates, how to cash out your money, things like that. So make sure you check out that video as well. Okay, so the IVC coupon booklet, we're going to be getting a new coupon booklet. It's called the Book of Savings. It's usually out in the front of the store with the flyers, and they're completely free. So make sure you pick one up when you guys get to the store. So these are always $5. There is going to be a $1.25 coupon in that IVC coupon booklet. So you have to either have them scan that or clip the digital version for it to work. It will not come off automatically. And we have a $1 off online coupon. So that's going to make the final cost of one of these items just $2.75, which is an amazing deal. It's almost half price right there. And I love these 2 products. I use these 2 in my home all the time, so I think they're great. Purex, just as I suspected, they are on sale for $1.99 because we have the $1 coupon coming. So typically when we do have that $1 coupon coming, this sale happens at Walgreens, which is perfect because it matches up so nicely. So you can stock up on this for just 99 cents. Hopefully we'll get a digital version as well, so that way we can definitely stock up. Try not to clear the shelves. Obviously, there's no limit on this, but they won't let you clear the shelf. That way some other guests and customers can get some as well. Buy 2 at $6.19, get 1 free. Not the best deal. Target and other stores will usually have 3 for $9.99. So this would be 3 for like $12.40 or $12.38 or something like that. So not the best deal, but still some savings. Whole blends, we are getting a 4 off of 2 coupon in our Sunday inserts again. So they're on sale 2 for $7. The $7 will count towards Walgreens Beauty. With that $4 coupon, it does say online, which is awesome. So my region usually doesn't get that paper coupon in the inserts, unfortunately, but everyone is going to be able to at least take advantage of this because there is a 4 off of 2 coupon. And then it says plus $1 off coupon online or in store. I believe that's probably in the IVC coupon booklet. So I will let you guys know on Monday when I do my Walgreens haul. Some deals of the week. We have Garnier Fructis. There is a 3 off of 2 coupon coming in the Sunday inserts. There's also going to be a digital, so same thing. Anyone can take advantage of these deals. And those final costs would be 2 for $4. So not the best deal. We usually get these for like 50 cents each or $1 each. But again, still some good savings, and the $7 counts towards CVS Beauty. $1.88 for the Fiber One bars and the Nature Valley Crunch. There are $1 off 2 coupons from previous inserts if you have them, so that would make it an even better deal. This is an awesome deal. So it comes around every once in a while. Olay and Old Spice are on sale 2 for $12 and get a $5 register reward when you buy 2. So we'll have to see if we get a nice digital coupon to add with that. There was a $2 off 2 digital coupon for the Olay. So we'll have to see if that one is still going to be good. It looks like it actually expires in a day. So that coupon will not be available, but we'll have to see what else comes available. So hopefully we can still get some additional savings. So with a 2 off of 2 coupon, you'll pay $10, get back the $5 register reward. Final cost would be just $2.50 each, which is awesome. More than 50% savings because they're $7 each original price. This will be a good filler item for you if you need to use some register rewards or anything to pay down some out-of-pocket cost. Kit Kats and Reese's are going to be just 79 cents each. Secret and Old Spice is 2 for $10. And another $5 when you buy 2 register reward, which is awesome, awesome. So usually we have some digital coupons for those as well. Recently for the Secret, we have Ibotta Rebates. Usually we'll have the Secret Clinical Strength. My account currently has the Secret Clinical or the Secret Essential Oils, $2 back, limit of 5. So if you buy the 2, you can get $2 back if those are included. I'm not sure which ones would be included in this deal, but if either of those would be included, that would be an amazing deal to get some cash back from Ibotta as well. Barefoot, I do like this wine, $5.99 plus a $5 savings reward, which prints pretty much like a register reward at the register when you buy 2. So if you buy 2, it's going to be $12 because this is $5.99. So it would be about $11.98. Then you get a $5 off register reward, or savings reward is what they call it for the wine. So final cost is going to be just $3.49 each. So definitely some good savings if you guys want to stock up on some wine. Okay, ground beef, just $2.99 for the pound. That's a really, really good deal, especially to do some tacos. So buy one, get one free. We've had some Old El Paso Ibotta rebates, and for the refried beans on Ibotta. Ibotta has been so amazing lately. There's also another bonus that popped up on my account this weekend. I posted it on my Instagram. If you guys don't follow me yet on Instagram, the link is in the description box. It's just Bree Coupon Queen or Bree the Coupon Queen, something like that. If you search me, you'll find me. Make sure you follow me there. Anytime I get any new updates or deals or bonuses, anything like that, I always try to post a photo there for you guys first in case I'm not able to do a video for you. So make sure you guys head over there and follow me there. What else? Well, yes, there was an Ibotta rebate as well, 2 for $3, so not bad there. I'll give you 50-cent savings each. Solid white. This is my favorite. I love solid white, way better than chunky light. So they're 3 for $4. Not a bad deal. I shop a lot at Publix, but obviously Publix is super expensive, and they're like $2 each at Publix, which is crazy, crazy. So this will be a really good deal to stock up on some tuna fish. Nutri-Grain bars, 2 for $5. Buy one, get one free on honey. That's always a good deal to stock up on. Chips Ahoy and Wheat Thins, $2.99. And there was a checkout 51 offer. I don't know if it was for Nabisco or if it was for just 2 Oreos. Oh no, it was just for 2 Oreos. But Oreos are Nabisco. So if the Oreos are included in the $2.99, when you buy 2, checkout 51 is going to give you $1 back. So if you guys are new to checkout 51, that's another app I use all the time. So combining all the different rebate apps with the deals and sales, that's how I'm able to shop for so cheap of an item. So if you're new and you guys want to sign up on checkout 51, my link again and referral code is in the description box. When you sign up, you guys will get some cash to get started once you do your first rebate. So that would be a good rebate to get started with. And once you hit $20, you can cash out. And just like Ibotta, it's actual cash that you can transfer to your account. 3 for $5 for Pringles. 2 for $7 and $1 off a coupon online or in store. Russell Stovers, so these are going to be a good filler item as well if you need to use for register rewards. You do have to present this coupon. It is a limit of 3. You have to present this coupon. It's going to be in the weekly ad to the cashier. They scan it and then they'll be 79 cents each. Cheez-Its, I love Cheez-Its so much, especially the extra toasty. I just wish the extra toasty was actually even more toasted because I love when they're a little burnt and brown. That's my favorite. So they're just $1.99. That's a really good deal. 2 for $6 on Coke and 4 counts of Gatorades. Let's see. $1.99 for nice nuts, which is awesome deal. Nuts are super healthy and usually very expensive. So that is a really great deal there. Buy one, get one free on Russell Stovers. 2 for $2, Haribo and Welch's fruit snacks. Love gummies, so those are always hard for me to stay away from. Tide, the 92 to 100 ounce or 32 or 42 pack. $2 off coupon coming, so it's going to be just $9.99. I would definitely stay away from that deal. We get way better deals at CVS. Angel Soft, we have a $1 coupon coming, $2.99. Cottonelle is going to be $4.99 again. If that Ibotta rebate is still around, we did have a $1 back on Cottonelle. And yep, it's still there. So I just checked my account. We do still have that. So that would make it $3.99. If you go on scottbrand.com, you can print off a 55-cent coupon. So final cost would be just $3.44. So really good deal there for some toilet paper. Arm & Hammer back to regular price. Obviously, don't buy that. We've been getting it buy one, get 2 free, which has been awesome. These really small palm olives are going to be just 74 cents on sale and with the 25-cent off coupon, which is awesome. Ajax, just $1.99, and Suavitel, not a bad deal there either to stock up on some of those products. Buy one, get one free still for Nature's Bounty. We've been seeing that time and time again, which is great. Vitamins and supplements are so expensive, so stocking up and getting a buy one, get one free is always great, makes them half off. Move Free is buy one, get one free, and there's online savings as well. I think there was a $5 coupon, if I'm not mistaken. So that would be an amazing deal if that's something that you guys use. Centrum, $9.99 or $5.99 with a $4 off coupon. It is going to be digital as well, so that'll be a really nice deal too. Let's see, $2 off with Emergency, 1 a day. $6 off with card and a $3 off coupon. $3 register reward when you spend 20 or more on any of these products shown here, all Walgreens brand. Poise Depends, 2 for $24, or there's a 5 off of 2 coupon coming, so then it would be just $19 for 2. So some good savings there. Ensure there is a 5 off of 2 coupon coming in the Sunday paper, so that's always good. And Boost is on sale again. $2 off coupon online or in store when you buy 2. That is an IVC coupon, and then a 4 off of 2 coupon as well, and their buy one, get one half off. So great deal going on for Boost. I know a lot of people drink that. Flonase, some allergy medicine, tons of good deals here. $4 off Miralax. Going. Advil liquid gels are $9.49. There is a $2 off coupon. There was also an Ibotta rebate for Advil liquid gels. I think it was $2 back. Let me see. Nope, it must have expired. Not there anymore. But these rebates do pop up constantly, so we can always check again. Crest and Oral-B is $3.99. $3 off 2 coupon online or in Sunday papers, and a $3 register reward when you buy 2. So buying 2 at $3.99 is going to be $7.98. Use that 3 off of 2 coupon. Final cost is going to be paying $4.98 out of pocket. Get back a $3 register reward, so it would be 99 cents each. Definitely not the best deal. We get toothpaste for free, sometimes even money makers. But if you need to stock up on toothpaste, 99 cents is still not a bad price point. And then Colgate, we have on sale for $3.99. There is a $2 off coupon online and $4 off when you buy 2. So on Colgate.com, you can print $1 off coupons for the Optic White and 75-cent coupons for the Total and the Max. So if you do that, final cost is going to be 99 cents or 49 cents each. So not a bad deal there. Listerine, 5,000 points when you spend 10. And Colgate Cavity Protection, 99 cents or 49 cents with a 50-cent coupon. So that'll be a really good deal there. Okay, hair care deals, all of these count towards beauty, so keep that in mind. Love, Beauty, and Planet is a bonus item on Fetch right now. Get an additional 750 points when you scan your receipt with Fetch Rewards. If you're not signed up with Fetch, my referral code is right here, J24VT. You'll get an additional 2,750 points. And once you hit 3,000 points, that's the equivalent of $3, and you can cash out for a digital gift card. We have Tresemme on sale 2 for $8 or 2 for $10. L'Oreal, Elvive, we have another 4 off of 2 coupon coming, which is great. Not the best deals going on for hair care. Usually we'll get some points back or a register reward or something like that. So we'll have to check CVS. Usually they'll have some better deals when Walgreens is a little dry. Gillette Foam is going to be just $1.99. And you're going to get 5,000 points when you spend 20 or more on any of these products, which is awesome. And remember, at Walgreens, if you buy this at $19.99, you're a penny off. You will not get the 5,000 points. There's no 98% rule or anything like that. You have to hit the $20 or more for the reward to be activated. So what you could do is buy 2 of these Gillette razors and then 1 of these foams, and that way you won't have to worry about being 2 cents off. You'll be at $21.97. There are $2 off coupons coming for the Gillette. If you use 2 of those, you would pay $17.97 out of pocket, get back the 5,000 points. Final cost would be $12.97 for all 3 items, or just $4.32 each. Not the best deal by any means. Even razors we'll usually get for 99 cents, something like that, especially at CVS. But it is still better than paying full price at $9.99. Pure Silk or Barbasol, you have to bring this coupon up to the register. Limit of 3, it's going to be 99 cents. Right Guard, we have a $2 coupon coming, so it's going to be $1.99 with that coupon. And Schick, Edge, and Skintimate Shave Needs, buy 1, get 1 half off, and buy 3, get 3,000 points. L'Oreal, I would stay away from this deal. At CVS, we always have spend 30, get a $10 extra buck. So right there takes off 33%. And we always have some coupons. We have a $2 off coupon coming. So I would definitely, if you like this, I love these products. I've been using these Age Perfect moisturizers. I have a day cream, a night cream. I use them all the time. They're so amazing. I highly recommend it. So what you can do is do this at CVS. Anything else? Okay, 2 for $18 for Pampers, Easy Up Swaddlers. There's a 3 off 2 coupon coming, so it makes it just 2 for $15. Not the best deal again, but still a little bit of savings. If you buy them at Walmart, I think they're like $8 or $9 a bag. So not the best deal, but those are super expensive. So any kind of savings is always great. And looks like that is the end of the ad. So if you're not subscribed yet on the channel, make sure you guys take a second, hit that subscribe button. My channel is all about saving money, budgeting, and making sure we can get our everyday items for super cheap. And don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up for me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.